If you want to measure the growth of your channel, I have this very cool app. It's my favorite one. I feel like I'm addicted to it and I want to share it with you. It's called YouTube Studio. Let's open it, and the first window that you'll see is like a kind of general picture. As you can see on top, you have your subscribers, and then you have the watch time in minutes. And this is so helpful because you know that the rules have changed, and if you want to monetize your channel, you have to reach 400,000 minutes of watch time in your channel. And as you can see, I have 64,000 minutes of watch time, so I'm getting closer little by little. And then on the bottom you have like your most recent videos, and this gives you kind of overview of the likes, comments, and views of your most recent videos. And then you have the comments. With this app you can do many things. You can reply comments and some other stuff, but I'm gonna talk about the stuff that I use the most. So we're gonna tap on analytics, and then you'll see a bunch of bars and all this stuff, a bunch of numbers. So but this is so helpful. Let's start with real-time views, and you'll see here real-time views in 60 minutes, in the last 60 minutes. And I love this option because it makes you think that 100, like for example, like 100 people just watched my channel, and that blows my mind. And I open this app like 10 times a day to see how many views I have every 60 minutes, and I love this option right here. And then you'll see every 48 hours, which is 2 days. And my goal at the very beginning of this channel was to reach 1,000 views in a week, and as you can see, I overpassed that threshold, and I'm getting 3,500 views, and that blows my mind again. I never thought that I would reach this amount of views this fast. And also, like, you have this option, like all the views that you get in a month. I got 38,000. And then you'll see some other options, like you can pick the month and stuff like that. But this is the option that I use all the time, every 60 minutes, like how many views I got. And then on the bottom you have your most recent videos, and then you have your subscribers and all that stuff. And then let's move on to discovery, and you'll see that since my channel is about apps and tutorials, I got a big percentage of views from YouTube search. And I love that because I'm not promoting this channel anywhere, not even on my Facebook account or my Instagram account. Some people from YouTube go to my Instagram because sometimes I talked about Instagram and they see my name, but it's not like that I'm making like a big promotion of my YouTube channel. So this is basically organic growth. And then let's move on the audience, and this is so helpful because you're gonna see who's watching you, and my percentages are very close to each other. I have 52% and 47% male, and the rest are female. Thanks all of you. I appreciate your time a lot. You have no idea. You guys are very important to me, and I know that I don't have a lot of subscribers. I have 200, but as you may know, And as you might tell, I never ask people to subscribe to my channel. I want real subscribers. And thanks all of you. And then you'll see the age of your audience and the top countries that you're getting all your views from. And let's tap on there. As you can see, I have Mexico, Colombia, Argentina, and Venezuela, Brazil. They don't speak Spanish and they don't speak English, and I'm getting views from Brazil. I mean, the official language, because of course there's people who speak Spanish, and of course there's even more people who speaks English in Brazil, but the official language is Portuguese, and I'm getting views from there, and that also blows my mind. Like, you can like making videos in YouTube gives you a lot of reach, like to other countries 24/7. This is so wonderful. I love it. I love YouTube. One more thing, if we tap on videos and then tap on this option right here on this little 3 lines on the top right side, and then you'll see 3 options: most recent, most viewed, and cancel. We're gonna tap on most viewed, and then you'll see your top videos, like which videos are getting a lot of views. And as you can see, these are my top videos, and I'm sorry, most of them are in Spanish. I don't know why, but for some reason I've been making the same topic. I've been making videos, one in Spanish and one in English, and for some weird reason I get more views in Spanish. I don't know why. I'm doing basically the same thing, even using pretty much the same keywords, and I don't grow in English. I mean, I'm getting views, but most of my views are from my Spanish audience. As you can see, all these titles are in Spanish. Just this one right here, like the Unfold app is so famous. I don't know why, but yeah, like you can like get more you can make like updates of these videos in the future. As you can see, these 2 videos are pretty much the same. They're about how to get more views in Instagram stories, and they're very close to each other in views. And I can make an update, another video in the future. And this one right here talks about hashtags and location, and I just learned something about location, and I can make another video and talk about location and how to use it to improve your accounting and get more views. This is it. This is the app. Try to use it. It's so helpful. It gives you all the insights of your channel. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.